Welcome to Pilates at Play. I have a bed right over here. You can't see it, but it's right out of sight. And I'm going to use that bed. You're going to see how I'm using it. All right? Because I'm just killing time. On your hands and knees, bed is behind. Take your left leg up, put it on the bed, lift up in position. Take your right leg up, reach it out over the bed and back, out and back, out and back, out and back, and down. Now drop down, just let it stretch. Just let it stretch. This is your psoas muscle you're stretching out. It's a good runner stretch or any kind of stretch. Other side. Hands up, hands under shoulders, right leg up, left leg. Comes in and up, and up, and up, and up, and down. Drop onto your elbows, stretching it out, opening it up to the front of the right hip, and hold that. 2, 3, 4, 5. Knees down, knees wide, arms out. Better yet, a roll. Drop into cat stretch. Just dropping down, open up the chest. Think about the middle of your back dropping below the plane of the shoulders, even if it's not really. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands down, up, done.